Welcome to Body Cams Canada, where corruption is exposed and transparency is alive.
So I've been being stalked. I'm being stalked by a gray Sebring SUV.
Today we are in Oakville, Ontario. What you are watching is Halton Regional Police staging an assault on a cameraman, hoping to get a reaction that would meet the grounds for an arrest.
Why are you videotaping me?
Luckily, Jay from Ontario Audit has experienced corruption before and did not fall into this trap. Meet Constable Matthew Spina. As you are about to see, Matthew is just as bad at acting as he is being a police officer. Unknown to this officer, he was already spotted by Ontario Audit.
This guy's a cop, bro.
He approached the cameraman from almost a city block distance away and immediately assaulted Ontario Audit in the midst of taking his camera and placing it in his pocket. All of this happened while Matthew was on the phone with his partners while pretending to be a random civilian for the camera. Let's get into this. You won't believe how it ends.
See if we can see where I am. Yeah, man, that's the gym. I can see their fucking gym camera.
Situational awareness pop quiz. Count how many times you see this van throughout this video. Leave your answer in the comment section. Good luck to everyone.
A great Chrysler. Oh, there it is. Great Chrysler. Came out of police station, went into the complex, and I was just out here making it right.